The Ministry of Education said that endeavors as regards bequeathing national values to students would continue in an integrated manner. Mr. Salih Muhammad, head of the Elementary and Junior School Curriculum Department, indicated that remarkable investment is being made to nurture cultural and national values in the minds of students in line with the conviction that they constitute the nation's future. He further explained that although the ministry's role is vital in promoting national values through the curriculum, other pertinent institutions and parents should also supplement the task. The ministry stated that curriculum-based approaches are under implementation with a view to endorsing Eritrean values and national pride. Researchers indicate that gratifying outcome has been registered in this regard, it added. Mr. Saleh said that a new subject focusing on the issue of nationalism would begin being taught in schools and called on pertinent bodies to extend a helping hand in the process of its comprehensive implementation.